Stick welding. Where do you start? 5 things that you must have to start stick welding. The first thing that you'll have to have is your PPE. You'll want a good hood. Doesn't matter if it's pancake or sugar scoop, whatever you have, as long as you have a good hood. And a good lens, a good auto darkening lens is what I prefer. Another thing that you'll have to have is a good set of high quality pigskins to put over your mittens. Real welders usually wear pink. The second thing you'll have to have is a stinger. This one right here is a Quico. It's got insulators all around the neck of it. That way you don't arc off on your pipe. It's also got grooves cut out for 45 or a straight 90 run for welding rod. Another type is a Stinger V. A lot of pipeline guys, a lot of downhill guys will use a Stinger V. It also has that insulative property around the neck of it, as well as the handle. It's insulated too. This is a little bit different just because this doesn't have no grooves cut out. It has one single slot for a rod. If you want a different angle, you just have to bend your rod and adjust accordingly. Just having a good high quality stinger, something that's insulated, that way you don't have no arc marks, that'd be best. Well, the third thing that you'll have to have is welding rod. A couple different types that we use. We use a 6010, which is an 1/8 inch rod. Your 7018, your low hydrogen rod. That's all structural. We run the 332nd and we have 1/8 inch here as well. The fourth thing that you'll have to have is a weld machine. We've got plenty here to choose from. We've got Lincoln's. This happens to be one of our Millers. A couple different adjustments that we have here on our machine. Obviously your on and off switch, remote outlet here. We also have your different settings. We've got our stick settings. This one right here also does wire. Also have our voltage adjustment right here, and then our arc control over here to the left. Our fifth and final thing is your metal. These on plate, you're gonna have 3/8 flat metal. One thing that we really emphasize here and teach is prep job. We want everything shiny clean, all the mill scale off. Now that you've got your metal, your rod, your stinger, your machine, and all your PPE, you're set to start stick welding.